We are parked out here in the desert of Arizona on some BLM land, and as we look across, we see this awesome looking homemade rig.
I've been seeing it all week, and I'm envious. It's awesome.
So we're gonna go try to meet him and check it out.
So this is our neighbor Stan.
Stan, yes.
Stan. He's from Missouri, and this is his awesome RV.
Homemade.
Homemade RV.
Homemade home.
He got a equivalent to like a 4-ton truck. It was a manure truck, he said, from his farm, and he mounted a camper trailer or a truck camper on it, and has custom everything. This thing is ridiculous. I'm in RV envy.
Said you started in 1985?
Yeah. So putting it together then. And then ever since, me and a girl lived together in it for 10 years, and she finally couldn't take it anymore.
How much water capacity you've got?
600 gallons.
600 of fresh,
Fresh.
and
About 400 holding for gray or black if I want to mix.
And you have storage, same size storage on the other side too?
Actually, there's another water tank in that area.
On the other side?
Yeah, it's a pressure tank, round pressure tank.
Okay, yeah, okay. That's where the compressor was.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's a transfer pump right there. Those are standing water tanks. So transfer into that pressurized tank and pressurize it.
Gotcha.
Then it's like any house anywhere got an outside garden hose with plenty of water pressure. Mm-hmm. Can waste water.
Yeah.
60 gallons of propane, so I don't have to ever leave when I come out here. I can sit here forever. No, it's an 81.
81.
81, yeah.
Is that the original engine, or has it been rebuilt?
No, that's the original one.
And is that clean?
Yeah.
You take good care of this.
Yeah.
Very good care.
I cleaned it up and shot some green paint on it. Walmart had some cheap paint, so it wasn't the best color in the world, but it worked. You don't have to do much. And you can get to everything. I went with 24 volt. I put them in pairs. So Outback will convert from 24 down to 12.
that was super cool, don't you think?
Oh, that was awesome. I'm gonna build one. I want one. That was awesome. Like, I mean, it wouldn't be something I'd want to live in, but that would be great for Mexico or Alaska. Or it'd be great for like good adventure trips, not sitting around doing nothing though.
Yeah, not big enough for a family to live in, but temporarily it would be good. It had a ton of storage, huge water tank capacity. What he said, 600 gallons fresh, 400 gallons black and gray.
He had 12 golf cart batteries under the chassis with 1,200 watts of solar on the roof. Doesn't even have a generator, and he runs a residential fridge.
He said he only fills up his water and goes into town to refill stuff once a year.
Yeah.
I'm sure he goes grocery shopping and whatever else, but he doesn't need to get water or dump his tanks or propane or anything like that more than once a year.
Yeah, he's got a motorcycle and a four-wheeler, so he can take the four-wheeler to go. I saw the license plate on it, so it's legal to drive. And I'm sure he drives that to the store or wherever. Like,
he was just hooking up a bike rack, so he's got plenty of toys out there to have some fun.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. Maybe that'll be another project for us for another trip to Alaska, or we'd like to do Mexico next winter. So we'll have to be looking around and see what we come up with.
For sure. That would be awesome.
All right, so it's always cool just to see how other people are living out here in the desert. There's somebody else, I don't know if he's living full-time, but he's in a van back there, so that'd be kind of cool to tour one of those sometime. All right, well, that was an awesome tour of that one, and we will see you later.
Bye-bye.